how to download and create a Line account. Firstly, go on your Google Play Store, type for Line application, go for that selection which says Line Corporation, which is so easy to simply mention it and check it out. And simply you're just gonna go install right here. Then you'll need to wait to get to the full segment of that downloading session, which is, as you can see, verified by PlayProtect, which is the most safest site which is got to your phone, and it is not going to take some points on it. As you wait for that selection, I'm gonna show you then what's going on the rest side. And now, as you simply can see, we have got that application downloaded. Simply go open up to simply go and create that Line account. As you can see, here it is, the application set up on that selection. Go sign up on the second side, which is right there, and simply go continue to access all these selections. Go take allow on all these permissions. Here you need to enter your phone number and your country. I'm gonna take it right now. And as you get done with that stuff, it will need to get, as you can see, verification code. You will need to wait to get to that point on your call session or as SMS code session. Just wait to get to that code selection, and as you get done with all that stuff, simply you're gonna take back your site. Just wait, and as you get done, simply just go create a new account. You can here simply take your name, it doesn't matter which it is. You can create a password, which is much more important for you. I'm gonna type it right now. And simply as you take the password on your side, it will need to take some time. You can start adding friends right now. As you got the password, just go continue, allow permissions to get to your contact sessions, and right now it is signing accounts data which are from my contacts and all that stuff, but we're taking out really good.